Welcome back to V-La-Nessa. In today's video, I want to open up and share with you how YouTube has truly changed my life, from gaining confidence in public speaking and getting valuable skills, cultivating patience, and so much more. YouTube has been a remarkable journey of self-growth for me. But before we get into the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come over here and join the family. One of the most significant ways YouTube has transformed my life is by boosting my confidence in public speaking. Throughout my early days on YouTube, sharing my thoughts and ideas in front of a camera felt incredibly nerve-wracking. However, with every video I upload, I push myself to step out of my comfort zone over time. I began to feel more comfortable, articulate myself with confidence, presenting myself in front of an audience, and the positive feedback and support from my viewers played a pivotal role in building my self-assurance, making a profound impact on my personal and professional life. I don't know why I keep doing this, but yes guys, YouTube has tremendously increased my public speaking, because before going out and speaking in public, I used to be so, shy. I still have it, I'm not gonna lie, but it's been better than before. When I used to be in class and I would have to read out loud or so forth, I would withdraw myself. I would purposely go to class late because I didn't want to be picked on. I don't want to be in that reading session. I just don't want to be a part of that. But my continuous recording and looking at myself in the camera, because guys, a motivational speaker would say, if you want to build your self-esteem, get up every morning, look in front of the mirror and say, yes, you girl, you can do it. You're beautiful. You're this and you're that. And me constantly looking in the camera, seeing my face, as you can see I'm looking over there, build my self-esteem. So for this, YouTube has drastically improved as it relates to speaking in the public space. Another amazing aspect of my YouTube journey has been the opportunity to acquire new skills. Whether it's video editing, graphic design, photography, or content management, YouTube has presented me with an incredible platform to learn and grow by investing time and effort into providing these skills. I've been able to create high quality videos that resonate with my audience. What's even more rewarding is that I've been able to apply these newfound skills outside of YouTube. Whether it's from personal projects or in my personal career, the knowledge and expertise I've gained through YouTube has opened doors and brought me many exciting opportunities that I wouldn't have had. I don't know how long you have been here, but I did a vlog a year ago where I was practically producing a film for someone. So there was this person, she was a producer. Honestly, I don't know the terms, but I was there videoing, directing, editing, and all those stuff. And if you want to go check it out, you can go check it out. That was my very first play. Did part 1 and part 2, and it was a long play. And as you can see, the video blew up on YouTube with no advertisement. And I was super proud of myself, because with that, I had to learn how to do different effects, sound effect, like shooting effect and all those stuff. And guys, like when I watched back the video, I was so proud of myself, because even though the person had gave me the script and said, this is what we're working at, like my visual thought and how I want it to look, I only had one camera. And with that one camera, I was like, okay, we're going to take 5 scenes, 8 scenes, 10 scenes. We need to get all angle so that it doesn't look so boring and like forward. We need different angles of the shoot so that it can look more real. And guys, I learned so much. Even when we wanted the vehicle to hit the person and to be more realistic, it is not there, but at least I tried. And keyframing and all these stuff, like, guys, I learned so much, and I am so happy that YouTube has made me this way. And guys, if you have not yet started YouTube and you think you want to, just try. You may not have the camera, you may not know how to edit. I never know how to edit. I taught myself everything that you need to know. Just go on YouTube, university.com, and you will learn. Day after day, I edited my video, and I'll keep learning, and even though I'm still learning, but I never go to school for this, and my videos are not perfect, but it's not the worst. So yes, thanks to YouTube, I gained many skills, and I can now venture off into business. One thing YouTube is going to teach you is patience. Patience is truly a virtue, and believe me, I've learned it first and through my YouTube journey. When I first started this adventure, I had unrealistic expectation of immediate success. However, I realized that building an engaging audience and growing a YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and patience. Through the ups and downs, I've come to understand that the power of persistence, learning from failure, and celebrating small victories along with the way, these lessons have profoundly impacted my personal growth, teaching me important life skills that extend far beyond the realms of YouTube. So guys, when I started YouTube years ago. Like, I started YouTube before most of these YouTubers are on YouTube. So when I first started YouTube, I started it as fun. Never really looked into it. It was a different channel, and this was December 8th, 2027. I posted videos just for fun, like videos with person that I was hanging around, you know, like icebox challenge, those little videos. And as I said, it wasn't anything I expected from it. And from these 6 videos, I used to get an income, because back then we never needed this 4,000 watch time. But I didn't really know much about YouTube, so I didn't follow it up. But I realized that I was getting paid, because even though it's not like $100 or whatever it's in the cents, but I used to get paid for it. It was merely for fun. And then now, when I actually start getting into YouTube was 2018. Now, when I started 2018, I'm still not there yet. I just got 4,000 subscribers. Still not made much money. I monetize and everything, but I'm not making this lump sum of money or anything like that. I was like, okay, I want to start this YouTube journey, and I didn't know my niche. I didn't know what I really wanted to do. I just know that I wanted to get my story out there, and I'm still working on that, but I know that I had something to say. I know that I needed to get before the camera. I know that this is what I wanted, so I took up my phone back then. In 2018, I'm like, you know what, I want to start YouTube. I started off doing challenges, starting doing mukbang, starting doing little videos here and there. And when I started the J1 program, that's when I started to talk on the J1 program. Now I'm on the H2B. I am here talking about the H2B. And now I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it be about my life. Anything that happens, that's what I'm gonna bring to you guys. This is why I'm here, like, setting the foundation, letting you know how YouTube changed my life. And many people wait until they're at 300,000 subscribers and making millions of dollars to make this video, but I just want to start somewhere, and to have this video to look back on and say, hey, when I was at 4,000 subscribers with X amount of views, I made this video. I can look back now and look at the growth. Understand? And whenever I feel down, I can always come back to why YouTube changed my life, why I decided to go YouTube, why I continuously pushing for YouTube, why it's not all about monetary stuff. You understand? This is what I am passionate about. I am passionate about doing videos. I will upgrade to the latest of the latest just so that you guys can have good quality videos. Like the other day I bought a tablet just so that I can edit because my laptop was giving problems. I know I'm still trying to find a new editing software for my tablet so that you guys can get good quality content. I bought ring lights upon ring lights, and even when I travel across the world, I have to get something that's substantial to equip me so that I can give you what you need. So yes guys, so that's another reason why YouTube has changed my life. YouTube has become a creative outlet for me, allowing me to explore and express my creativity in ways I never imagined. From brainstorming video concept to designing thumbnails and editing videos, the entire process has sparked my imagination and allowed me to tap into my creative side. This newfound creativity has overflowed into other aspects of my life, influencing the way I approach problem solving, project management, and even personal hobby. YouTube has truly helped me realize the endless possibility that comes from nurturing my creativity. So guys, as I said before, I never know that I had this hidden creativity in me. With me editing, creating thumbnails and all those stuff, like who would have thought that this girl can do those stuff? Like, I don't have to pay anyone to do thumbnails for me. I don't have to pay anyone to edit my videos. I can do that myself. Like, there is so much stuff that YouTube have stirred up inside of me and allow me to bring it to the surface so that you guys can see my creativity and I can see my creativity. You get what I'm saying? So for that, I am grateful for this journey, and I'm looking for many more years on this channel. I'm looking for when I get my husband, get my kids and all this stuff. Yes, I want you all to join this journey, because YouTube for me is not about making money or bragging or anything like that. YouTube for me is for sharing my life journeys, because when I was young, I wanted someone to look up to. And because I didn't have that person, now I want those who are younger than me to look up to me and say that, hey, this girl that went through abuse and all this stuff can amount to something, you know. And yes, it may take, I want to do it the realistic way. Not everyone gets up today and rich automatically. Not everyone have rich parents. Not everyone had their parents in their life. Not everyone have it so easy. Not everyone go through college or university and get a career in their field. Not everyone does that. And I want to be the real and true me so that others can, you know, look up to me and say, hey, if she did it, I can do it. So yes, that's that for me. Guys, I am going on and on, but believe you, it's coming to an end soon. Another thing, guys, and this is not so formal as before, but YouTube showed me that those who you know are not going to support you as those who you don't know. For the years I've been doing YouTube, I have gained such good connection with people that I don't know. I have never seen, never talked to on the phone, but through comments and all those stuff, like I see that person we don't know are the person that supports you. So girls and guys, if you want to start a business, don't look to your family, don't look to your friends, you know, just do it, put it out there, and those who you don't know, those are the one that will support you. I have nothing against my family, I have nothing against my friends. It's just the reality of it. Anyone can attest to this. If you start a business today, they may buy one and two stuff, but they're not your real and true supporters, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, I used to be so depressed, saying that, no, these people don't like me, these people are not supporting me, I think they would be on my side and whatever. But this is just how life is. And it is just weird. We just have to accept the fact that, those who we know is not the one that truly support us, but those who don't know. I have people on my channel like Carrie Palmer. She's been there from day one. You understand? I have a lot of people that's continuously commenting on my channel, like, big up to right? And I will always remember them. You understand? And if I should ever reach there and I decided that I want to pull up someone, these are the people that I'm going to pull up. No cap. Another reason is that it gives me a space to vent. Yeah. So I do have friends and I do have family, but that tight connection, like somebody where I call and say, hey, this and this and this every day, call on the phone and tell them my business. No, I don't have those kind of person. So sometimes when I'm in that mood where I need to blurt out stuff, I come before the camera. I'm like, you know what? I want to talk to my people. I want to tell my people. I may not tell you word for word. And even though sometimes I record everything, and when I edited, I was like, you know what? This is too personal. This is too deep. Let's edit it and take out the things that you don't need to put in it. So YouTube create a space for me to vent. Even though I may not publish everything, I like that aspect that I can come before my camera and have a one-on-one conversation and say, yo, that girl hitting on my head, I may never like it. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Another thing is that it keeps me accountable. Now, what I'm talking about is that if I come and I made a vlog and I said that, hey, next week I'm going to Disney World, right? I know that you guys want to see the video of me going to Disney World next week. If I said that I'm going to buy a tablet, you guys want to see that video of me purchasing the tablet or unwrapping the tablet or so forth. It keeps me grounded and accountable. If I say something and I don't fulfill it, I know that I am breaking my promise to you guys. So if I know that I want to do something, I'm going to come and say, hey, that I'm going to make my videos better. Yes, and because of that, it pushes me to be better and to do better. So it keeps me accountable. And it is good for all of us to have accountability partners. And you guys are all my accountability partners, right? I said it in the previous points up top, but it shows people the talent that I didn't see that I have. I was just merely making YouTube videos and someone reached out to me and said, hey, I am doing a play and I would like you to be my videographer. And I was like, you know what? This is going to push me, and I agreed and I started doing it. Now, out of that, I had to edit. Out of that, I had to choreograph. Out of that, I had to do a lot of stuff. And even doing lighting, mic tests and makeup and all those stuff, like, it pushed me to people to see the talent that I didn't see that I have. I know that they recognize it. I am now recognizing it. So thanks to YouTube, kudos to YouTube. And guys, if you have anything in your life, it don't have to be YouTube, it can be anything that pushes you. If it does push you and make you better, keep doing it. And this is why I'm gonna keep doing it, even though sometimes I feel like I don't want to. That is the devil talking, and what you need to do is brush him off. Alright, we're not listening to the devil. So to conclude all of this, all I want to say is that I can't help but express my gratitude towards YouTube for the incredible impact it had on my life, from gaining all the confidence and acquiring all the new skills, cultivating patience and fostering creativity. This platform has been a catalyst for self-improvement and personal growth. My hope is that sharing my experience with you will inspire you to embark on your own YouTube journey or any other venture that pushes you to grow and showcase the amazing ability you possess. So don't be afraid to embrace change and explore new opportunities, whether it's YouTube or any other path. Follow your passion and let life transformation manifest into something extraordinary. Remember, we are all capable of achieving greatness. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't you forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come over here and join the family. Bye.